Okay, so our next topic 3.5. Of course, you might remember topic 3.6. I did first, but topic 3.6 was cellular respiration. It was this process of taking glucose, right? Take what you eat, and you strip of those energies, oxidize those carbons, and you end up with CO2. And you're also breathing in O2, which is our final electron acceptor, which is going to go towards this final water molecule. Oxygen, carbon dioxide, water. Of course, the goal for this process is to generate ATP, which is generated through this process of cellular respiration. Um, we're going to look today at kind of the reverse of this situation, in which you're taking in carbon dioxide, right? Carbon dioxide is the product side of this equation. As you're taking in water, and you're yielding sugar and oxygen. So this is without this process of photosynthesis of generating this sugar for heterotrophs like ourselves. Autotrophs do photosynthesis. Heterotrophs and autotrophs do cellular respiration. Um, but only autotrophs can do photosynthesis here. So I just wanted to kind of see this overall process and know the way these formulas are. You can essentially, for the most part, flip this arrow and change the energy of sunlight over here. Get a Okay, so let's look at it from a evolutionarily historic perspective here. Uh, you know, long time ago, an ancestor prokaryote, one of the first things to develop, as you know, was the cell membrane. You have some enfolding in this plasma membrane to create more complex structures, which eventually results in a nucleus. Right over again, this is millions and millions of years. Eventually, you had the engulfing of this mitochondrial, single-celled organism, right, that allowed uh, for cellular respiration. Of course, these things have been around for a long time already, as had these cyanobacteria, these photosynthetic single-cell prokaryotic organisms. Um, single cells, photosynthesizers, autotrophs, right? They are prokaryotic at this point. They've been around for probably a while. Eventually, they too get engulfed by a cell. Um, so you eventually end up with these kind of two diverging lineages here. You have some of them which go down this heterotrophic route, eukaryotic heterotrophs. Some of them go down the route of photosynthetic eukaryotes, meaning that they have they're able to photosynthesize. They have these chloroplasts to help them, and they have mitochondria as well. So this is kind of those two paths that these cells went down again, long, long time ago. Just something to keep in mind. The origins of photosynthesis. Let's take a look at the chloroplast before we go any further here. So the chloroplast is similar to the mitochondria. It has multiple membranes. It has an outer membrane, an inner membrane. It actually has a third membrane. The thylakoids membranes over here are, this is a membrane right here. I want you to know the basic anatomy of a chloroplast, but you don't need to know it. Go too deep into it. These stacks of thylakoids are called grana. Granum stack. The stroma is this area between the thylakoid and the inner membrane, this area inside here. Now, inside of each of these individual thylakoids, we're going to find this area called the lumen. So the ones I would take away from here for sure: lumen, thylakoid, granum, stroma. Understand what that's like, because the first process we're going to talk about is going to take place. Let me draw my membrane here very quickly. Blah, 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 blah. We have a membrane. I'm just going to extend it. You guys know what that would look like. Phospholipid bilayer. Um, so most of what we're going to talk about in the next couple of slides is going to be what occurs from the stroma lumen interface here. This membrane right here is where all the energy is going to occur. and it's going to look kind of similar to what you've seen already in cell respiration. Um, so I'll probably leave this video here like this. Know the basics of what a chloroplast looks like. Know a little bit about the evolutionary history of the chloroplast and mitochondria and how they were engulfed by a eukaryote many years ago. So do understand that, and then I will see you in the next video. Over.